Texas pride painted across that feed store side. Is it a state of mind? Or is it just an advertisement sign about an old pearl beer no longer brewed round here? And it's a hot day in June on a rainy afternoon, like driving Interstate 10 towards San Antonio, or a barbed wire fence along a blacktop road, like a dirt trail running through the southern pines when you're headed into Houston down Highway 59. Texas pride, suffering but still alive. It's not a patriotic zeal, really just the way you feel about an old hill country town with the feed store falling down. So you studied it from the side, painted it over with Texas pride. And when you see it in the city by the railroad tracks, course you bury it under, got to bring it back. So give your thanks to God for all of heaven's wonders, to be living in the country of 1100 springs. Texas pride, don't think it's ever gonna die, like a rusted tin roof barn on an old East Texas farm. And like the Mission River flows outside Refugio, making its way under 77 on down to Aransas Bay. And it's a picture from the pages of a time gone by, and a memory that's fading like a lullaby, like some verses and a chorus from a country song. The sideboards are bending but the whole foundation's strong. Texas pride painted across that feed store side. Is it an advertisement sign? Or is it really just a state of mind about an old pearl beer no longer brewed round here? And it's a hot day in June on a rainy afternoon. Texas pride painted across that feed store side. Is it a state of mind? Or is it just an advertisement sign about an old pearl beer no longer brewed round here? And it's a hot day in June on a rainy afternoon, like driving Interstate 10 towards